Hello children. Hope the first part of the topic natural calamities was clear to you all. Now we will be learning the second part. In this part we will be learning about the type of help that is provided to the victims in case of a disaster, the names of some organizations that provide relief, and about the first aid. The survivors of a disaster pass through great physical, mental, and emotional trauma. People lose their loved ones, their houses, and belongings. They become homeless and need great help for recovery and rehabilitation. Do you know that our government plays an important role? The government issues forecast and warning. It reaches out to save and evacuate victims. The government opens rehabilitation centers with food, clothing, water, and medicine supplies. The government keeps food grain stocks reserved for such adverse times. These stocks of foods, medicines, and water are also called buffer stocks. Many volunteers and non-governmental organizations provide emergency medical help and take other rehabilitation measures. The armed forces also come to the rescue. They drop food packets, water, clothes, medicines by helicopters to the people cut off from the world. They clear roads, provide medical help, and build temporary bridges. The media provides information about the people affected by disaster to the family members both in the country and abroad. Children, let us now learn the names of some organizations that provide help during the time of natural disaster. RAF, that is Rapid Action Force. NCC, FAO, known as Food and Agricultural Organization. WHO, that is World Health Organization. UNICEF, which is known as United Nations International Children's Education Fund. Then we have UNDMT, known as United Nations Disaster Management Team, the Red Cross, and CRY, which is the Child Relief and You. So, these were some of the organizations which provide us relief during the time of natural disaster. These charitable groups help the victims by donating money, clothes, food items, building shelters, and providing medical help. Now children, tell me something. When y'all get hurt or y'all get cut in your hands or legs, what do y'all do, or what does your parent do? They give you first aid. So, what is a first aid? A first aid is an immediate help provided to a victim or to a person who is suffering before the arrival of proper medical help. This type of action can save a life and promote recovery of the victim. We should know some basic rules of first aid for small accidents that we can provide to a victim. The three basic rules of the first aid are: keep calm, act quickly, and seek medical help. Children, we must also remember that every house or office must have a first aid kit with them, in which cotton roll, antiseptic solution, scissors, thermometer, bandages, and disposable gloves must be kept. Children, I hope the chapter on natural calamities is clear to you all. Thank you.